Happy Halloween! The kids weren't coming to my house, literally, not one. So, I've gone out looking for the children. I don't think I've said anything that sounded more pedophile in my life. Where are the children? I've got my lollies. If I see some kids dressed up, I'm just going to chuck lollies at them. Or if you're in America, candy. Or if you're in England, sweets. Here in Australia, we call them lollies. Get used to it. Oh no! Packets of Skittles just flew everywhere. Oh no, I lost them. Engine about to stall. What do I do? Save the lollies or stall? Save the lollies. All right. How are we looking? We lost a few. How many men down are we? Oh, we lost a lot. Bad idea. This is why Santa comes in a sleigh. Comes in a sleigh? There. Cover up all my instruments. Safety first. There's children. More children. Fucking hell, a lot of children around here. Let's just start throwing lollies, shall we? Yeah, children. That kid's not even dressed up, he's just got his helmet on backwards. Oh, I think my lolly's gonna fall into my forks. Oh shit. Save the lollies. Oh no, this is going bad. This is going real bad. There. Where are the children? Oh, I feel I'm gonna, oh shit, clutch with, no, not going well. Oh, that was a fail. All right, 1, 2, don't even know what gear I'm in. We'll take off anyway. This isn't good. My clutch hand has lollies in it. There's nothing I can do. It's gonna have to be first gear or nothing. First gear or nothing. Try for second. Oh, there we go. Well guys, my original prank didn't work because no bloody kids showed up on my house. I was just gonna do some weird pranks, like when they knock on the door, I'll just stand there and stare them down and not move, or get my drill out, or give them carrots, just some weird freak them out kind of shit like that. But no one bloody showed up, so I'm out here looking for the kids now. Oh god, changing gear. Oh, I gotta stop to change gear. There we go. And to turn it. Oh no. Oh, I can't drive with lollies in my hand. Getting used to it now. Don't pull out on me. That's what she said. Here we go. This is where I'm going to start throwing lollies at kids. Oh, this is where you need to be. Have some lollies. Oh, hey! Oh, these kids dressed up. Kind of. A little bit. Not enough to warrant lollies though. It only goes to the kids who are really dressed up well. They gotta deserve, they gotta earn the lollies. You can't just walk along the street just dressed in your bloody school gear and expect to get lollies from me. Not the way it works. I want you looking like Frankenstein or John Goodman or something. Something really scary. Mastered the gear change now. You try holding packs of lollies in your left hand and change gear at the same time. Oh, it's like a two-finger job. Alright, that sounded worse than it was meant to. There we go. Lollies! Oh, they ran to it. Like a pack of hungry wolves. You're chucking the lollies, the kids go. More children. Without running up the back of people. Oh God, the lolly's gonna fall. They're going. They're going. Need more kids. No, they're going. There goes brake cable. There's some more kids. Let's give them some lollies. Lollies! Oh, fun times. Where else do kids hang out? Parks, playgrounds, skate parks. Where I need to go. She looks like she wants some lollies. Oh, I can't get them quick enough. Is this kid trick-or-treating? No, that's a poor effort, kid. You don't get anything. Although your house is decorated pretty cool, but you're not. So suffer. Alright, lollies, reset. You're not scaring no one. And you're not getting lollies. That's my rule. If I don't think you've made the effort, you don't get them. Bad luck. Lollies! Oh, this is fun. I remember when I was a kid, this is probably going back, I don't know, 15 odd years. Halloween was nothing in Australia. And me and a couple of friends in the street, we'd go out trick-or-treating. We'd make no effort at all, but no one did at the time. It was, I don't know, it was really only an American thing back then, Halloween and trick-or-treating. But we thought we'd give it a go. Went around to some houses around our area. Got absolutely nothing. I think there was one house that gave us like a pack of chewing gum. We thought that was great. That was it. Lousy pack of chewing gum. Kids love bloody green ninjas. Oh, hey! Alright, let's get the lollies ready. Ready to chuck some more. We'll go 2 this time. Can I get 2? Yes, 2. Yeah. Oh shit, lost one. There we go. Oh, that's a cool house. Looks like a graveyard. Had a bit of a stop over at my mate's house. Realised my my GoPro mic adapter had actually come loose. We were just hanging on by the cord, so did a bit of a dodgy gaffer tape job on it to get it back. Hopefully it holds. Lollies! So what the fuck did that guy just throw at us? What the fuck? Oh, I'm gonna go home. I want to have some of these Skittles to myself. Thanks for watching my video. Can't wait till Halloween next year. Scare some more kids. Until next Halloween. Shut up, idiot.